Is affiliate marketing a multi-level marketing system? Or affiliate marketing, is it a scam? We're gonna check this out in this video. So make sure to stay till the end, because I will come with some perspective that I'm not sure you really understand. So stay till the end. I remember one day I was at a friend's place and we were talking about business, side hustles and stuff like that. And I started to talk about affiliate marketing. And I remember that somebody on the table just said that this is a multi-level marketing system, saying that in general, it's not really something sustainable. If you get inside this space, you will just be promoting stuff which are not really working. So meaning that it's a scheme. But for me, it's not the case. And this is why. If you have ever heard of the concept of the middleman, you know that in business, somebody who's really starting from zero, who really want to build a business in the real life, this way of position yourself as a middleman is really sustainable. And here is how it works. A middleman is somebody who's connecting people who have issues, problems in a particular area, to companies, business, and people who can solve these problems. So the middleman business model is something which is old like the world. People are using this business model for so long. They are growing their own business with this. We can take a lot of examples to watch this. And if you want, I can do a video dedicated to that. But my point here is to let you understand the fact that affiliate marketing is exactly the same principle. In affiliate marketing, you are also connecting people who have problems in a particular area to people and companies who can solve these problems. So in affiliate marketing, you are helping people who are having a problem in a particular area to other people who can solve those problems, and we can also call affiliate marketing a referral program. And there are a lot of companies out there which have their own affiliate programs. So it's just about making some research about your industry or about your niche, and then you will definitely find thousands of companies having referral programs. So at this point, I really want you to understand that affiliate marketing is nothing related to a scheme, because behind any promotion, behind any serious affiliate program, you have a serious service or product which is helping people. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to put that thumbs up, to signal to me that you're liking that, so he might be able to produce more video like this. And also share this video to other people. This way it's gonna help the channel to grow fast, and also other people to learn more about affiliate marketing. If I'm taking, for example, my case, I went to Polytechnic Montreal for my engineering studies, and I really liked all my experience there. At the point that if somebody comes to me right now and say, "Hey, Ivan, I really want to do electrical engineering. Which school can you suggest me to consider?" I might definitely tell him, especially if he's talking French, yes, go to Polytechnic Montreal because of these reasons, these, and these. And as you can see, I'm already at this point because of everything I learned there, And if, for example, Polytechnic Montreal has a referral program, an affiliate marketing program, and then they let people promote them and bring them new customers, which means new students. At this point, it's simple. As soon as he might be able to bring new people to join this school, like they're gonna have admissions and all those stuff, it's certain that he might have a commission. So as you can see, it's not a scheme at all. So I really want you to stop thinking that when you hear about affiliate marketing, it's a scheme. Affiliate marketing, again, it's not a scheme. It's definitely a business model which can help anyone who really want to start a business to start from zero, because I really want you to think about it. How can you really start a business in today's world? How can you start a traditional business in today's world? Let's say you just want to do some promotion, some marketing promotion. You will definitely need to go to radios, to TV, to attend to events and all those stuff to be able to show your face in that industry, to let people know you, know your product and services, And when you think about it, it's really expensive. This process, it's absolutely expensive. But in today's world, with internet and social medias, it's definitely possible to do the same thing. You will still need time and effort to make it happen, but not necessarily thousands of money. So for me, if I'm coming back to that comparison I was making between affiliate marketing and a middleman business, for me, definitely affiliate marketing is just the principle. It's just the fact that it's just the middleman which has been digitalized. As simple as that. So if you are a middleman, if you are a salesman, if you are helping companies to have new customers, if you are helping people to solve their problems by showing them companies which can help them, I definitely recommend you to learn about affiliate marketing and naturally to start your own business in that principle. And definitely you can also watch this video here where I explain the secrets to start a business in today's world.